How to fix Messenger video call background not working. If any day you are trying to use a messenger but your messenger video call background is not working, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to tap for messenger for a while. After you tap on messenger for a while, you can see the eye option out there. Now you have to go to the eye option there. When you go to the eye option, you can see the app information interface like this. After you see the app information interface like this, you have to go down and you have to move to the option of storage. After you move to the option of storage, you have to see whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you have to clear down the cache. After you clear down the cache, you have to go back. After going back, you have to scroll to the option of notification and go to the option of notification, and you have to check whether allow notification has been enabled or not, and whether allow sound and vibration has also been enabled or not. If it has not been enabled, you have to enable it. After that, you have to go back and you have to go to the option of the permissions. After going to the option of permission, you have to check whether camera, microphone, music and audio, notification, photos and videos have been allowed or not. If the permission has been allowed, you have to go back. After that, you have to go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to check whether open supported links has been enabled or not. If it has been enabled, you have to go back once again. After going back, you have to scroll down and you have to go to the option of app details and store. You have to tap on that and you have to see whether the latest version has been available or not, and you have to check there. Now, if it has been not, you have to go to the email section once again, and from the email section, you can also solve your very problem, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.